Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Ashish, and today's topic we have is translate. So translate is a new function, and let's see, this is like starting from SQL Server 2017 and later. Okay, and this is the syntax we have: translate, input string, character, and translate. So guys, this function is also almost same as a replace, but there are some things which is different from replace. So if I show you the first example, if I use here, so I'll see that it's a string. Okay, and now I want to replace or translate C from S. Okay, so from R. Okay, so if I execute this, guys, see, you can see that as it is replaced with R, but here is some trick we have. So suppose if you write anything, another character which is S, and I'll say R, and I want to change S with 1 and R with 2. Okay, so if you run this or execute this, see, so S is replaced with 1 and R is replaced with 2. So this is the advantage we have for translate, and replace is different. You can see, you can click on I button and you can see that what is the basic difference. And see guys, like you need to, sometimes what you have to do is, see, we have a string like see, we have a string like this. So it is like 2/3, and it is maybe like 2 + 3. Okay, now you want to yes, so now you want to replace with this. If you use replace, you have to use a big query, but in translate you can use very easily. Okay, and just press tab, this will return you the value. And now you want to replace what? You want to replace with this character, or whether it is this character, you want to replace with this character and this character. Okay, let's check what result we get. Okay, it is saying this is not possible, or I think so I have made some mistake. Okay, see guys, this is replaced by this bracket, and this bracket is replaced by another bracket. But the same thing, if you need to perform using replace, you have to write so many times. I will demonstrate some, like I'll take only one string, so it should not take much time. Okay, so here you can only replace this bracket with this, and now if you run this, see, you have replaced the first one. Now again, if you have to replace again, so what you need to do, you need to write again the replace, and whatever the result you are getting, from that result you have to convert that. Okay, see, and then you can replace this. See, for the same thing you have used only one time translate, but 2 times replace. So these the difference of replace and translate, and you can click on I button, you can see that how the replace works. Okay, in the replace all the characters should match, but here one character should match, and that will convert with the another with the same position. So this is translate, guys. So that's all for translate. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and please share and subscribe.